When we hear the term artificial intelligence, we often think of sci-fi movies or robots taking over the world. But in reality, AI is already part of our daily lives. Whether it's voice assistants, recommendation engines, or self-driving cars. In this video, we will break down the key types of AI, exploring how they work and where you might encounter them. Ready? Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence can be broadly categorized into three main types based on capabilities. Narrow AI, specialized in performing one task extremely well, like voice assistants or chatbots. A general AI is a hypothetical AI that can perform any intelligent task a human can do, something we haven't fully achieved yet. Super AI, theoretically AI that surpasses human intelligence. This one's still in the science fiction realm. Now let's explore scientific AI domains that power different technologies and industries. Natural language processing, NLP, AI's ability to understand and generate human language. Think chatbots and voice assistants. Computer vision, teaching AI to interpret and understand images or videos. Robotics, combining AI with physical machines to automate tasks like warehouse robots. These domains aren't just buzzwords, they power real-world applications. For example, NLP, virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. Computer vision, facial recognition on your smartphones. Robotics, assembly line robots in manufacturing. Each of these domains play a crucial role in transforming industries and enhancing productivity. AI is not some distinct future. It's here and it's everywhere, from smartphones to healthcare diagnostics. AI is making our lives easier, smarter, and more efficient. In the next videos, we will dive deeper into each AI domain, starting with natural language processing and how it is used in Salesforce, tools like Einstein GPT for service. Stay tuned.